I was encouraged by the number of subscribers I picked up after I decided to post my tutorials for assembly for the Commodore 64. That was cool, thank you. Wasn't expecting that. I got likes before, not subscribers, so then I figured, oh well, might want some more, so I went ahead and posted my assembly for the PC tutorials as well, and perhaps some of you are following along with that too. But for those who wanted to delve deeper into the Commodore 64, I did have some on my GitHub. I went ahead, GitHub Musical Glass, in the assembly folder here, Hayden to C64. I posted my further work because I was going through the book, as you recall, Commodore 64 Assembly programming language with the Hayden Assembler, and it uses a proprietary language, right? Its own flavor of assembly, right? So a lot of stuff here is where I took the programming examples out of there and translated them to normal assembly for the Commodore 64, So there's a bunch of those examples. You can see 2.5, they were listed in the book, 2.6, 2.8, they had this number convention, so I went quite a bit further than the 12 or so video tutorials that I made, but I assume by now you got the hang of it. And if you want to go further, you can read further in the book, and just read the book, and follow along with the examples that I posted, right? So, and then I went, pretty far up to chapter 4 there, and so if anybody wants to go even deeper into the book than that, and do, like I said, I'm translating from Dr. Watson assembly to Commodore 64 assembly. If you want to continue with that journey and go even deeper, it's quite a book. I've read further, but I don't have a collection of examples that I've made, right? But if you want to do that, feel free to shoot me some of those files. I would love to just add them to the repository to have handy. Also, I don't know if you even noticed, but my tutorials have closed captioning. So if I was stuttering or I said something wrong, maybe I might have corrected that when I went back and had to hand type the closed captioning there. So I noticed I picked up a lot of subscribers from around the world, Russia, all over. So that's cool. So if you wanted to take the closed caption, if you feel the tutorials are worthy to share with others, and translate them into your own native language, I have included the transcripts. There's the transcripts for my Commodore 64 video tutorials, and the transcripts for my assembly for the PC video tutorials as well are up there. And I might later post like a wish list of things that I'm trying to work on on the PC assembly later. I'll put that at the end of that video, But so if you want to translate these in your native language, it's very straightforward. You just go. You can get most of it done in a translator. Google Translate will do like 90% of it, but of course it has trouble with programming terms and stuff, so you need to go back and kind of proofread it and everything, and then you can shoot those to me, and I can offer closed captioning in other languages as well. Very cool. So if you want to help out with that, it's very much appreciated. I do appreciate that I picked up a bunch of subscribers. You can feel free to upvote. I'm not out for any fame or glory, but of course, if when you do find quality information out there, giving it a thumbs up does help bring it up in the search engines when other people are trying to find information as well. So that as well can be helpful. So yeah, happy coding. Enjoy.